Hey there, this is Manny, the founder of Blue, and today we're going to talk about formula fields. So I have a very simple CRM set up here, and if we click inside a record, you can see that our structure is that we have a due date, assignees, a few tags for different services, and then we have an amount for the main contract, an amount for the service contract, and then a profit margin, which is a percentage custom field. So we can create two new custom fields here. One that will give us the total of the amount, and another one that will calculate the profit based on the profit margin and the overall total. So we can go to Manage Fields. We'll add a new field. We'll call it Total, and we will select the formula type. So now we have the logic, and this is very easy to use. We use the squiggly brackets to select the different custom fields that we want to add in here. So in this case, I'll do amount, main contract, plus the amount of the service contract. So this is one way to, for instance, sum up two items. The other way to do it is to use a function. So you press equals, then I would go to sum, and then within the brackets, I would then use squiggly brackets to select amount, and then comma, and then amount for service contract. And I want to display this as a currency, and we'll display this obviously in US dollars, and with precision of 1, so I don't want any decimal places. So I'll click add here. You can see that this field is already here, so I'll put $10,000 for the main contract and $5,000 for the service contract, and you can see that the total has now been updated. And you can see that the total has now been updated to $15,000. If I hover on the formula field, I'll see the calculation behind it. So now let's put a profit margin of 30% and then create another formula field which gives us our total profit. So I'll go to Manage Fields, add more fields, total profit. We'll select the formula type again. This time we will use the total multiplied by the profit margin, which is the percentage. And again, I want to display this as a currency, US dollar, with a precision of 1. So I'll click add. And what's interesting is that if we go over to database, what we've done here, each time we create a formula field, is create an additional column in our database. So you can see that we have the amount, 10,000, 5,000 for the service contract, 30% for profit margin, 15,000 for the total, and 4,500 for the profit margin. So I hope that explains formulas in a simple way, and thanks for watching.